What if everything I spent my life learning, everything I've built, everything I've experienced didn't matter anymore? What if the world doesn't need me the way it used to? And I know I'm not the only one thinking this, because something's happening right now that none of us were prepared for. AI is getting smarter, faster, more capable. It's learning from us every day. And quietly, without asking permission, it's stepping into roles that used to belong to people. People like me, people like you. And there was a moment, a very specific moment, when I realized this wasn't coming. It's already here. I'll tell you exactly what happened. It completely changed how I see my future. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is about reinvention, empty nest life, figuring yourself out in the world of AI as a Gen Xer, and how to stay relevant in a world that just keeps changing. Nobody gave us a manual for this stage. They never said, oh yeah, by the way, everything you've learned, it might not be enough anymore. So if you've ever had that quiet thought, that uncomfortable question of, am I still valuable? Am I still useful? Are my skills still employable? You're not alone. And before we go any further, I need to ask you something. 96% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. 96%. Just imagine the difference that would make if even half of you clicked that button for me. It would help me out tremendously. Thank you so much. You wouldn't just be supporting this channel, you'd be helping me continue sharing real conversations like this one that more people need to be having. So if this resonates with you, again, please hit subscribe. What we're talking about here, it really matters. So let's say it out loud. The fear is not just about AI, right? We all know that by now. The fear is, what if I become irrelevant? What if my experience no longer has value? And that's a heavy question, and one I know I personally have hidden from and denied and avoided for a really long time. Midlife is supposed to be the stage where everything comes together, isn't it? You've worked, you've learned, you've built, you've survived things. You've earned your place. And now suddenly, there's this quiet voice saying, is that enough anymore? And I had a moment where that question hit me so hard, I actually stopped what I was doing. And I'll tell you what triggered it. Because before you even realize what's happening, you find yourself in the middle of it. I mean, think about it. AI can now write emails, create content, edit videos. Well, I wish it would edit my videos. Gee, that would take a load off. But anyways, doesn't edit my videos yet, but we might look into that. Analyze data and answer customer questions. Things that used to require years of experience, they're now being done by a computer in seconds. And what makes that really uncomfortable is that it's no longer just those basic entry-level jobs, right? It's creative work, it's communication, it's decision-making support, things we thought would always stay as uniquely human. I mean, there was a time when being able to write a well-worded email felt like a skill. Now AI is like, well, would you like that in 3 different tones? It's like, what? Yeah. Okay, I might have used that. And you're sitting there thinking, yeah, okay then, give me choice. Why not? I like choice. So here's what's happened. I was working on something that normally would have taken me hours. Thinking, planning, structuring my project. And then I thought, heck, why not? I'm going to try this AI thing. Popped into ChatGPT, put in my data points, watched my project get done in a little over a minute. My 3-day project. Not badly, not almost good. It was good. And in that moment, I had this thought I didn't really expect to have. I was just playing around after all. Okay, so am I still useful? Where do I fit now if this can do that, like that fast? Not to mention cheaper than I am. And what does that mean for me? Like, what does that make me in terms of value to my employer? And man, that caused me to go down a path mentally that honestly I didn't like. I still don't like. I'm not comfortable with it yet. But what I discovered on the other side of that really changed everything. And what took me a while to realize is, yeah, AI is powerful, but it's not human, and it doesn't live. It doesn't experience, and it doesn't feel. It doesn't sit across from someone and read the room. It doesn't know what it feels like to fail, to recover, to rebuild, to start over. And I hope that matters more than we think it does. Because experience is not just knowledge. It's judgment. It's nuance. It's knowing when something looks right but feels wrong, and it's knowing when something's a bit off. AI can give you an answer, but it doesn't know what that answer means or how it influences your life. It doesn't understand context either, or consequences. It will never understand you. AI can certainly tell you how to handle a difficult conversation, but it has never had one. It has never sat there, heart racing, trying to find the right words. And that's where your value lives. Not in what you know, but in how you know to apply that knowledge and that life experience, in how you understand people and how you navigate complexity. And there's one specific advantage that midlife also gives you that AI can never replicate. And younger people haven't figured this out yet. I'll explain that in a second, because I'm hoping that you'll see it. Midlife is definitely not a disadvantage. It's more, think of it more as a compression of experience. You've seen patterns. You've made mistakes. You've adapted. You survived things that taught you lessons no textbook ever could. You are not behind. You are layered. And in a world of AI, that matters more than ever. Because where everything becomes faster, automated, and scalable, what becomes valuable in this world is the depth that you have, that you are. Anyone can generate information now. Not everyone can interpret that information. Your advantage is this. You know what matters. You also know what doesn't matter. You know when something is completely off, and you possess the ability to figure out why it is. You understand how people think and what motivates them. You know how life actually works, and never just how it looks on paper. And that is never going to be replaced by a machine. It is not scalable. It is not something that you can automate. It's human. Remember that fear that, what if I'm not needed anymore? That fear comes from thinking that your value is just within the tasks you perform. It's not. Your value is in perspective, experience, real-world knowledge. Sure, the world may no longer need you the way it used to, but it does need you in a very different way. So if you've been feeling this, if you've been questioning your place, your value, your future, please know you're not alone, and you're not done, not even close. And if you want more conversations like this, real ones, honest ones, that actually help you navigate this stage of life, hit subscribe, because we're figuring this out together. You are not becoming irrelevant. You are becoming something different. And that might be your greatest advantage yet. I'll see you in the next video.